daughter, it's a bit more complicated because they like to talk about, oh, I don't need anything, I'm good, I don't want anything. And most of the time the only reason why they say that is because they don't want to get you anything, so they don't want you. Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, since we're about to be in the month of February and Valentine's Day is around the corner, I wanted to do a makeup tutorial and also makeup chit chat, get ready with me kind of thing. So I'm gonna do my makeup, my hair. I don't need to do much to my hair, and then outfit. And I'm also gonna talk about gift ideas, mostly for men, but I'm also gonna talk about for the females, which I think I'm pretty good at giving gifts, if I do say so myself. So yeah, so in today's video I'm gonna be using the JAMAICAN Universal Eyeshadow Palette, and this is Makeup by Yolanda. This is actually a Jamaican black woman owned brand. And then I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I like this palette because it has a lot of browns in it. So yes. So I'm gonna go in with this medium tone brown right here. I'm just gonna put this in my crease area. I know Valentine's Day is coming up, and a lot of people like to say Valentine's Day is a pagan holiday. Valentine's Day is so corny. I think a lot of females would say that they don't care. It's actually a day for them to celebrate their relationship and their love lives, and I'm one of them that have to agree. I actually like Valentine's Day because it's a day dedicated to love. So yeah, I'm gonna use this medium tone brown. So and let's start with the ladies, because I feel like giving gifts to women are pretty easy. Men are the ones that make it really more complicated than it needs to be. Women like corny stuff. We like corny stuff. We like roses, we like flowers, we like corny, the normal corny stuff. especially if you are a person that don't normally get your partner roses or flowers or stuff like that. If you go out your way to get it on Valentine's Day, well, you just got a notch, okay? So I feel like getting gifts for women are very easy. We like jewelry. You can't go wrong with jewelry. What else did I put on my list? I can give her money, or you can rock $10, $20 bills, $100 bills, around 12 roses, and give her like $100 or $200 or whatever in cash to buy what she wants for Valentine's Day, including her flowers and chocolate and all of that. Or you can buy her a gift card for her favorite store. Like me personally, I like makeup a lot, so it would be like $100 gift cards to Ulta or to Sephora or something like that. Or if your girl really likes Fashion Nova or Pretty Little Thing, you get her a gift card for clothing stores like that. So let's talk men. I think men, getting gifts for men is a lot harder than women. I'm not gonna say a lot harder, it's a bit more complicated because they like to talk about, oh, I don't need anything, I'm good, I don't want anything. And most of the time, the only reason why they say that is because they don't want to get you anything. So they don't want you to give them anything. So, though, that's just what I think. But neither here nor there. I actually feel like that I'm going to use Trophy. I feel like this Trophy in the Jamaican palette is very close to Rihanna's Trophy Wife highlighter eyeshadow. Is very close to it. I feel like the reason why they say that is because they don't want to get you anything. So they make up an excuse as to, don't get me anything, it's a pagan holiday, blah blah blah, and all that stuff. But if you want to give your partner a gift, I would suggest look into things that he needs. So if he need a new phone, if he need a new keypad or mouse pad, or he needs a new briefcase to carry to work, those are very easy, simple stuff that you can pick up for your significant other. If he needs boxers or a t-shirt, those are like simple stuff. I feel like men appreciate things that they need but they procrastinate to get for themselves, or they really just don't want to get it for themselves, honestly. So they appreciate it more when you get it for them. So like, babe, my husband, he likes what is it called, like those socks. He likes those tall socks, so I like to get him I like to search the web, go on our Wild Goose Chase, search the web for unique socks for him. He wears them all the time, so that's something you can do. Or you can do something like a romantic dinner if you don't have money to go home. Light the candles and do all that extra stuff. Make a nice meal, rose petals, candles, all that. And you don't have to go out and spend a whole bunch of money. I'm sure he will appreciate it just the same. Flowers and chocolate just the same. I don't think men are that complicated as we like to put it. You can get him a watch. I don't know any men that don't like watches. I think that's, let me see if I have anything else. Oh, I think I did this for Christmas one year. Babe really like hot sauce. He really like hot sauce, so I got him a hot sauce collection. And a lot of this stuff I buy on Amazon, so if I can find the link to all the stuff that I'm talking about, I'll link it below. Whether it's not the same, it's don't have to be identical but similar. I'll link it below for you guys to make your guys' life a lot easier. So yeah, I got him a, I don't think we still even have it up to this day. He has it. I got him a hot sauce collection because he loves hot sauce and I'm not a big fan of hot sauce. But anyway, I got him that for Christmas one year and he was really happy with that, among other things. Oh, you can get her or him friggin', excuse my language, you can get her or him a gift card to like get a massage or get their makeup done, get their hair done. Or you can just set your partner, whether male or female, vice versa, set your partner's shower, run him a nice bath, and give him a massage, give him a facial at home. It's pretty easy. Or just spend the day pampering each other. I think that's also a great idea, especially if you don't have money to spend like that. So those are kind of my ideas for Valentine's Day, whether you're gifting male or female. I gave you suggestions for both. So for lips, this is the NYX lip pencil in earth tone. Is there comparable to Max Chestnut? Go in with Maybelline. This is a Maybelline lipstick in 655 Daringly Nude. This is how it looks. I had on liquid lipstick this morning, so my lips are hella hella dry. Okay. Now I'm gonna use also the Maybelline Shine Shot, and as you can see, I have a lot of under eye powder. Oh, that's too much. This looks like it exploded. I have too much in. When lipstick won't stick to like in here of your mouth, all you gotta do is take off the excess, and then it will start to lip. A lot of times it happens because we put on too much product or our lips are just extra dry. Remember to exfoliate your lips. We can do the bottom lash line. I'm just using the same dark brown. Over the lash band and the lash line with some liner.